Okay folks, welcome back to the Monkey's Uncle Dubz Club how-to video section. Today we're going to do a windbreak with a difference. Now I found this one, ironically, broken on a campsite. Now if you've got a motorhome or a campervan, as we've got T4s in our little club, then you'll notice that when you set up your camp and you've got your awning set up, nice, okay, no problem. However, on the other side, you very often get a heck of a draft coming through underneath. Now on the other side of your van, we need something. Now this is a genius hack. As I say, I found this broken one. You can get these cheap enough anyway and make your own if you want. Cut your awning down, or the piece of material, not your awning, but the piece of material, and the old broken windbreaker. Okay, and we've got 3 damaged poles here, which I'm going to cut and pre-marked to 2 foot lengths. We'll cut that off there and we'll sharpen the ends up. Only need 3, one at each end by the wheels and one in the middle. So I'm going to cut these down now and I'll show you when they're done. Okay, so I've cut these down now to 2 foot lengths. You can make them a little bit shorter if you wanted a little bit bigger. 2 foot's okay. And sharpened one end of it, whittled one end down to a point. These are the old broken poles that we had earlier. And the other end where the rubber cap is, put a bit of duct tape on just to give it a bit of extra support. I've already put a couple in either end of the wheels. You can put the extra one in if you need it. Probably won't need it, to be fair. So just measure your old broken windbreak and cut it down to the required length all the way across. Put them in wheel to wheel, and you want it just to catch round about there on your van. So 2 foot length of your poles is ideal, and then that'll stop a lot of your wind going underneath your van and into your awning and keep you nice and warm on those windy days when you're out camping. That's it, a quick and easy simple hack. As I say, this was an old broken windbreak we had, or you can pick them up cheap enough now, I suppose. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe.